Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, Devon House, the popular tourist attraction and hangout spot in St. Andrew, has been ordered closed. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie made the announcement at a press conference this morning, where he pointed out that Devon House has been breaching the protocols in place to limit the spread of the coronavirus. Now, Mr. McKenzie is expected to meet with the management of Devon House tomorrow.
These images were captured today at the popular tourist attraction and hangout spot, moments after the local government minister's press conference. Videos of Devon House have been circulating online, showing a party in full swing. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie says Devon House has been operating outside of the protocols that have been outlined by the government.
The reggae mill, based on information that we have gathered, has been operating for almost 5 weeks, every weekend, with numerous parties, with hundreds of persons not observing the social distance. A video has gone viral over this weekend showing reggae mill at Devon House operating long after the curfew hours was passed.
Mr. McKenzie says the videos show little appreciation of the rules laid out by his administration.
So officially, we are closing Devon House effective tomorrow until we are satisfied that Devon House will comply with the protocols as laid out.
But why close the entire Devon House?
We're closing the entire Devon House because the management of Devon House is complicit in allowing those events to have taken place and without putting a stop to it.
Mr. McKenzie says there are several corporate-era entities that are now under scrutiny.
You know, there are locations on Belmont Road, Old Hope Road, in Barbican, that are operating outside of the guidelines that have been set. And the Commissioner of Police have been provided a list of all those entities that are operating in violation. And once you are closed, then it means the only way that you can reopen is that you have to convince the authority that you will comply with the protocols that have been laid out. Wherever we find a restaurant is operating as a restaurant and a nightclub where party and music is being played, then we will close those facilities with immediate effect.
Meanwhile, the minister says he's noticed advertisements like these on social media platform Instagram, telling people about the opening of entertainment facilities. Specifically, he raised concerns about the Buzzers Arcade in Portmore St. Catherine.
And they have been advertising now for the last week that they are opening their doors this weekend to facilitate patrons, including children, for rides and other means of entertainment. I want to make it quite clear, ladies and gentlemen, that there is no order that permits the operations of such entity that offer rides and that sort of facility anywhere in Jamaica.
He says he's advised the Commissioner of Police about the matter, and he's also asked the Mayor of Portmore to intervene.
And the local government minister says the government will have to reconsider whether it will reopen the entertainment sector. A follow-up meeting is to be held next Thursday, or this Thursday rather, with government officials and stakeholders to finalize plans for the phased reopening of entertainment. Members of the sector met with Mr. McKenzie and Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange on Friday.
Those meetings were very, very successful, and we will continue those discussions come next week, Thursday. But under the present condition that we are now facing, it is clear that the government will have to reconsider any consideration for the opening of the entertainment sector under these present circumstances, because what we are seeing is only courting danger.
Mr. McKenzie notes that some countries have seen a significant spike in COVID-19 cases after the reopening of the entertainment sector. He says Jamaica cannot afford to lose the gains it has made in controlling the coronavirus pandemic. It's estimated that the entertainment industry has taken a $29 billion hit since it was shut down in March to slow the spread of COVID-19.